Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about Robinhood Bank. But before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's ask ourselves a question. What if you could have a bank account that not only let you save your money, but also invest it? Well, that's exactly what Robinhood Bank offers. It's a unique banking platform that combines traditional banking services with investment opportunities. Now, I know what you're thinking, Robinhood? Isn't that the app for stock trading? Yes, it is, and that's where things get interesting. Robinhood Bank is actually a subsidiary of Robinhood Financial, the company behind the popular trading app. So, when you open a Robinhood Bank account, you're not just getting a bank account, you're also getting access to the same investing platform that millions of people use. But how does it all work? Let's break it down. Robinhood Bank Basics. At its core, Robinhood Bank is a checking account. You can deposit and withdraw money, pay bills, and even get a debit card. But here's where things get different. No monthly fees. Unlike traditional banks, Robinhood Bank doesn't charge any monthly fees or minimum balance requirements. High interest rate. Your money earns interest in your checking account, which is currently higher than the national average. Instant deposits. When you deposit money into your Robinhood Bank account, it's available to use instantly. Fractional shares. You can buy and sell fractional shares of stocks and ETFs, making investing more accessible. Investing with Robinhood Bank. The real power of Robinhood Bank lies in its integration with the Robinhood trading platform. This means you can seamlessly switch between your banking and investing accounts. Here's how it works. Open a Robinhood Bank account. This gives you access to your checking account and debit card. Link your bank account to your Robinhood trading account. This allows you to transfer money between the two accounts. Start investing. Buy and sell stocks and ETFs directly from your checking account. How Robinhood Bank makes money. You might be wondering how Robinhood Bank can afford to offer all these features for free. Well, there are a few ways. Payment for order flow. PFOF. When you place a trade, Robinhood routes your order to a market maker. The market maker pays Robinhood a small fee for the order. Interest on cash deposits. Robinhood invests your unused cash in higher-yielding assets, which generates interest income. Advertising and partnerships. Robinhood partners with other companies to offer exclusive deals and promotions to its customers. Is Robinhood Bank right for you? Robinhood Bank is a great option if you're looking for a low-cost, interest-earning checking account with access to investment opportunities. However, it's important to note that investing involves risk, and you could lose money. If you're new to investing, it's a good idea to do your research and talk to a financial advisor before you get started. Robinhood Bank is a unique and innovative banking platform that offers a lot of value to its customers. If you're looking for a bank that can help you save money, grow your wealth, and make investing more accessible, Robinhood Bank might be a good fit for you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy investing.